everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about deodorant. Okay, there are multiple reasons for wearing deodorants, and some people have a lot of personal preference in these because of what is put into deodorants. A lot of deodorants put some sort of aluminum powder crap in there, which is not good for you. And there are a bunch of high dollar natural deodorants to use. Years and years ago, before I got married, a friend of mine clued me into the Menon scentless antiperspirant. And we would put that on when we go deer hunting because there's no smell to it, and it stops the body from producing the perspiration, which then produces the bacteria, which produces the odor, which makes it stink. Then I found out about something else, and it works really great. Don't laugh at it. It works. It may not be for you. I'm just telling you something we found out. Germ-X hand sanitizer with aloe. Interesting thing is, the alcohol kills all the bacteria that causes body odor. So you put a couple squirts in your hand, you rub down in the areas on your back here where it really above the belt, where you built up stink. And what does it do? It kills the bacteria so you don't stink. And the aloe helps with the sensitive areas to keep it from stinging. All right? So, before I take off, let me put a video up here. I'll put a playlist down here. I'll put another video you'll find good over here. And I'll put the link to Camp Patton Family Compound, my gardening and homesteading channel, up here.